Hello. Well, tonight I'm going to be putting some dirt down, and got my dirt here from my garden, baked, sifted, ready to go. And also got a bottle of water with a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent. What I'm going to do is put the dirt down and then obviously move it around, sweep it around with my brush till I kind of get it where I want it to be. I mean, especially here along the track side. Get it contoured along here, or at least try to make it look natural. I'm not going to do too much with the brush, but just where I feel it's necessary to brush things off or to move dirt around, I'll use a cheap brush and wet it down with this wetting agent, just water and a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent, and then fix it in place with some scenic cement. And what this water will do with the dishwashing detergent, it'll keep the scenic cement from beating on top of the dirt. It'll just soak right in. You've seen me do that before, so I'll start at the top and work my way down and try to have the dirt cascade down as naturally as possible. And leaving rock exposed, so you can see what a little difference a little dirt makes. Looks like the rocks are just jutting out naturally from the soil, so then I'll add some grass on top of that and trees, but down here along the tracks, just going to take some and just kind of backfill that a little bit, just like that. Look like dirt and debris have fallen down. Maybe not too much. Obviously this is going to get covered over with ballast here once I get around to it, but I want to cover up the fact that I had my roadbed stick out. You can kind of see a little gap here where the roadbed is, and then I want to fill that in so it all blends in seamlessly. So I'm just filling that up, just piling it in. wet this area down with some of that mixture of dishwashing detergent and water. My scenic cement in here. I'm just going to use my eyedropper and drizzle it on, just like that. You can see it soak right in when I pre-soak it with that mixture. Just goes right in, doesn't beat at all. The reason why I'm not spraying this on with the spray bottle is that I found the spray bottle tends to blow some of the stuff away. It's a little bit thicker than water, so it tends to blow the dirt around a little bit too much, blow it off areas that I don't want it to. So the reason why I use a scenic cement is that it's designed to dry with a completely matte finish, so the rocks will look dull.